Today, I will be launching my very first meme coin. Oh my god, Habibi! Pump, 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 pump. If it goes just a bit higher, I will be removing the liquidity. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and boom! That's exactly how you print a teacher's salary in 1 single second. But if I check exactly how much I made off this one coin in 3, 2, 1, what? I could retire my entire family. Yes, that's right. I make thousands of dollars every single day by launching meme coins, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do the same. So make sure you keep watching. Now, the concept is pretty simple. Basically, let me go on the chart to show you a quick example. Basically, all what I do is I launch coins, I wait for people to buy in, and when the market cap is high enough, I simply just take profits by exiting the liquidity. Okay, now it's really simple, bro. I can break it down in 3 simple steps. Basically, we find a decent narrative online, right? A good idea, something that could lead people to buy in a coin, right? After that, we launch it using a software which I will show you guys exactly how to use. We launch it, we create it, we put the name, symbol, and image, we create the liquidity pool, and after that, when it's launched, we simply just wait for buyers, because if y'all didn't know, there's millions of people who are trenching looking for the next big thing. So you will get buyers, you will make money for educational purposes only. I do not constitute financial advice, right? And yeah, bro. And when the market cap is high enough and you have enough liquidity in the coin, you simply just remove the liquidity and you get away with thousands of dollars and potentially millions if you are lucky on every single meme coin launch. And the best thing about this strategy is that it's fully repeatable. You can do this over and over again until you are until you're rich, bro. Okay? Now, make sure you keep watching. Now, to find a good narrative, I like to use Twitter, because on Twitter you can find good stuff. Right now there's a war going on, so that could be really good to make a coin, right? Obviously Trump and Elon Musk are beefing, so that could be good. Los Angeles is trending. There's a bunch of riots going on. By the time I am making this video, there's just a bunch of stuff that is happening. Okay, now this could be a good one because people are fleeing the country of Iran because there is a war. So I will be making a coin based off of this. Okay, now I can't guarantee millions, but I could make thousands. Okay, now after that, once you have your narrative and your screenshot, simply just keep the tab open because you will come back, and after that, come back to CreateTokens.fun, because here is where you will be able to create and launch your own coin. Now, CreateTokens.fun, if y'all didn't know, it's the best launchpad on YouTube. Millions and thousands of people are using this site every single day to launch coins. And the reason why is because all your coins are launched on the Raydium DEX, which means that your coins will be immediately graduated and showed to millions of people. But if you make your coins on pump.fun, your coin will be it's gonna flop. Okay, it's fucking shit. Okay, it's gonna flop. It's gonna start at newly created, and potentially it's gonna flop. It's not gonna go nowhere near what Raydium can do. Okay, now after that, put your screenshot in for the PFP. Ooh, that looks juicy. Now token name, leaving Iran. Then token symbol, just put the abbreviations of the name, so LI, then do next. Now for here, token decimals, keep that to 9. Supply, keep it to 1 billion. Description, I like to copy paste the captions of the tweet. Next, now for the socials, come back again, okay, to the tweet, click on the share button, click copy link, and then paste it in the box of the Twitter. Now obviously you are making the coin based off of news, so a Discord, a Telegram, and a website is completely useless. There's no point. Okay, now for the modified creator information, keep that off. Otherwise, I mean, you can put it on if you want, but it's useless. Okay, it's useless. Now for the authority settings, I would keep this all selected. Otherwise, you won't get any profits. People people will think your coin is a scam and they won't buy in. So keep these all selected, okay? And then it's time to create the coin. But before I create it, I just want to be clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only. Stop the cap. But anyways, if y'all want to see me launch this coin live and make thousands of dollars live on camera, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and watch the next video. Bye.